Hello everyone, it's me here again with one more quick video. So I bought this car recently and it's a Ford C-Max and it's fully loaded. As you can see, it's a leather seat, automatic handbrakes. It's fully loaded, cruise control, everything works on the car, but there is no Bluetooth set on the car. I was using this device, which is really good. Actually, they improve the EQ of the radio itself, so I recommend it. It's really good, but I didn't want anything here as the car is fully loaded. There is no Bluetooth. I was searching on the internet and I saw a couple of videos, but not the way it's supposed to work everything. Why? I'm no expert, I'm no electricity, nothing about that. I just try to do and search and do my own things. So when you buy this device, which is a Bluetooth device. So here is the Bluetooth. They come with that plus the mic. The mic is this one here, little one here. Another extra I bought it is an extension, 3-meter extension. Why? Because the extension I'm gonna connect here on the Bluetooth and then go all around here, goes around here inside, and I will put the microphone right there to work as supposed original. Okay, forget about that one. Is really good, I advise. So if you want to buy one of those, if you don't like to do all what I'm doing, you don't need to break this apart. This is like that because I'm painting here. Used to be a wood color I don't like, so I want a silvers to be all silver. Okay, come back to the video. So here is the device what will come for you. Here is your radio. Before you buy the device, search which one would fit on yours. So sometimes they ask your serial number. Serial number is on the side here anyway. You have to buy those keys. If you haven't got one of those, buy the keys, and in the same time buy the code. If you haven't got the code for your radio, you need to buy the code, because as soon as you unplug this, the code is gone. When you plug back, they will ask for code. When you have the code, for you to put the code is a 4 numbers. Here is the first number. So let's say it's number 4. You press 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to the second one. Let's say it's 3. 1, 2, 3. Here is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You press continue until you want the number. When you put the 4 numbers, here is the enter. So you press number 5 to enter. So the code is in your radio. Okay? So when they come as a plug-in play, and they work as a plug-in play. You plug on the back of your radio, which is there. The connections is all right, so you don't need to do anything else. Here is the connection where you gonna put in your radio. Here, to unplug the original is the same here as well. So you need to pull this up. You bring this up like this one here. Look, you bring that one up. Look. Can you see? To unplug, can you see that like gap here? They are like that. You push up and then you unplug. The same way is that one here. You push up and plug that one, and then you plug the original here on the back here. But the thing is, when you plug and play, this is not working. Plus and minus volume, it doesn't work. Or the module here to switch on your radio, which is original, they not working. So I was figuring out on the original one, this little one is fitted here. when you look like that, it's fitted here. Can you see that little pin there? They are on the side here. You push that one in the same time, push that one with your finger. Take a screwdriver, push that pin and push that one there. That thing would comes out. So you need to take, because here it was tape. So I took the tape out carefully. I managed to push as much as I could here to give a little bit space. On the one I bought, the Bluetooth, you make just a little bit wider here on the corners. You can use anything. I use the drill. If you haven't got the drill, take a knife and hit the knife on the fire, and you can bring those ones a little bit wider to fit that one in from the back. So the right way to fit is the same as the original. You look from the pin. The pin, it should be from outside when you look from the front. Oh, here is the front. The pin, so they are supposed to come this way on the other device. They're gonna go inside, and then you plug as a normal here on the back. Plug your antenna. Plug your wire here for your microphone, and job done. All the buttons here and everything would work. Trust me, I done it, work, and I'm gonna put everything apart now, and I will show you the works. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. Guys, I just done it, so I put in apart, so everything is settled. The only thing I need to hook in is the mic, but the connector is already done, so I just need to bring the wire here. I'm just gonna show you it works. Everything works. Is on the radio itself. The command here works. I'm not gonna plug in because of, you know, the YouTube, they're gonna cut my videos, all this stuff. So I'm gonna plug the previous video I just done it. What you need to do, the video is going on, is auxiliary. Is there. Look. Bring the volume. Automatic hand brakes. It's fully loaded. Cruise control. Everything works. Minus and plus. On the everything works right now. Job done. Nice and easy. Thanks to watch. See you on the next video.